In this video, you'll learn how to add videos to your Notion workspace. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to embed videos seamlessly into your pages, enhancing your content and presentations. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter Notion in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can either sign in or create a new account if you are a new user. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your next. Locate the option to add a new page. This can typically be found in the left sidebar of the interface. Click on the button labeled Add a New Page. After this action, you will be redirected to a blank page where you can start creating your content. Once you're on the new page, click on the area that says Untitled at the top. This allows you to enter a title for your page. Make sure to give your page a relevant name that reflects the content you will be adding. After naming your page, click on a blank space within the page. This enables the cursor to be active, allowing you to input commands, type in /embed, and a menu will appear showing various options for embedding content. Following that, select the option labeled Embed from the list that appears. This will prompt a new dialog box to open where you can specify the link to the video you want to embed. Pay attention to the screen as it changes to indicate that you are in the embedding process. Now click on the Embed Link option within the dialog box. This action will allow you to paste the URL of the video you wish to add. If you have a video from YouTube or another platform, ensure you have the link ready for the next step. At this point, navigate to YouTube or the platform where your video is hosted. Choose the video you wish to embed and copy the URL from the address bar. This is critical as it serves as the identifier for your video in Notion. Once you've copied the URL, return to your Notion page, click on the paste box that appears in the dialog and paste the copied URL. This step is essential to ensure that the correct video is linked to your page. After pasting the URL, click on the Embed Link button within the dialog box. This confirms that you want to embed the video. You should see a loading indicator as Notion processes the link and prepares to display the video. Next, click on a blank space again on your Notion page. This action will activate the input area once more. Type /embed again to initiate the embedding process anew, especially if you want to add more videos. Select Embed from the menu that appears once more. This will open the Embed dialog box again, allowing you to add additional video links if desired. Repeat the steps of pasting the URL and selecting Embed Link as needed. If you choose to upload a video file instead, click on the option labeled Upload. This option allows you to select a video file from your device. Be mindful of the file size, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After clicking Upload, select Choose a File to browse your computer for the video you wish to upload. Once you select the file, Notion will begin the upload process, which may take some time based on your connection speed and the file size. Finally, once the upload is complete, the video will be embedded in your Notion page. You can now adjust its size or position as needed. Ensure the video plays correctly to confirm that the embedding was successful, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.